Imagine two of the world's most powerful currencies, one trusted globally for decades and the other known as the most advanced and secure currency ever made. So the question is, which one is actually better, the US dollar or the Australian dollar? Hey everyone, today we're comparing two iconic currencies, the United States dollar and the Australian dollar. And this is not just a basic comparison, we're going deep into security, durability, global power, and real-world usage to find out who is the real winner. Let's start with the US dollar. The US dollar is the most powerful currency in the world. It's used in global trade oil markets and held by almost every country as a reserve currency. In simple words, if money had a king, the US dollar would be it. But here's the problem. Despite being so powerful, the US dollar is still made from a cotton paper blend. That means it can tear, it can wear out quickly, and yes, it can be counterfeited. In fact, counterfeiting has always been a major issue with paper-based currencies. Now let's talk about the Australian dollar. Unlike the US, Australia completely changed the game by introducing polymer banknotes. These notes are made from plastic, which makes them waterproof, more durable, and extremely hard to fake. So in terms of technology and security, Australia clearly takes the lead. But wait, there's more. Let's compare them point by point. Number one, security. US dollar has advanced features like watermarks and security threads, but still gets counterfeited. Australian dollar includes transparent windows, micro-printing, color-shifting ink, and even tactile features. Winner? Australian dollar by a big margin. Number two, durability. US dollar wears out faster and needs to be replaced often. Australian dollar, I told you, lasts 2 to 3 times longer and survives water and rough use. Winner? Australian dollar again. Number three, global power. US dollar, used worldwide, dominates international trade and is the top reserve currency. Australian dollars are strong, but mostly used regionally and in trading markets. Winner? US dollar, no competition here. Number four, environmental impact. US dollar, jet made from cotton, requires water and chemicals. Australian dollars, recyclable polymer, longer lifespan means less waste. Winner? Australian dollar. Number five, design and innovation. US dollar, add classic design but changes slowly. Australian dollar, modern, colorful, and packed with advanced tech. Winner? Australian dollar. So now the big question, who actually wins? If we talk about power, global dominance, and influence, the winner is clearly the US dollar. But if we talk about technology, safety, durability, and future readiness, the Australian dollar is far ahead. So the real answer is the US dollar is the king of the present, but the Australian dollar is the future of currency. Maybe one day the entire world will follow the same path. If you enjoyed this comparison and want more powerful breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe, because here we don't just compare things, we reveal what really matters.